Well, I ended up doing part of the perfect taping and covering the nails and such. But I just did it right over the staircase so we can get busy on the staircase. I'm out of here pretty soon and maybe even be out of here by the time this video hits. So I'm trying to teach Spanky how to do this, but he's got other projects. But I got to get this done. Like I said, I'm out of here and we want to get these walls back up. Now that we got to move a whole wall over, cut a whole chunk of the floor out, we want to I want to get that done for him before I leave. So yeah, I just got that a second coat on that, so that's that. Hopefully we can start on the walls soon. I mean the little stub walls that go around here. Get them up there, then we're good. Gonna be golden. Wall sheetrocked. Turned out pretty good, really. Oh, I know why I did. I did it with Spanky's help. If we hadn't been spending so much time working on his security system, we would have never got it. We'd have been done a long time ago. But there's his trap door right there. You're gonna step on that and fall right down. What you doing? Hanging curtains? Well, he's gaining on it. So I think we got enough done here. We just wanted to do enough to be able to get these walls up here, and I think we got enough to do that today. And then he'll finish doing the corners and he'll finish doing the room, but right now we just needed it over here so we don't have to have some weird ladder construction something or other to get up to the ceiling. But that's all done there. We'll paint over that and that'll look good once it's get painted. That's kind of texturing I like. You just spackle it on, knock it down, and it leaves nice designs. So anyway, we're getting there. Well, sheetrock's done in this room. Echo, echo, echo. We got the wall up. We did all the texturing and taping on that wall so we wouldn't have to stand on ladders on the steps. But we got the walls up. Put a little wall here to make it a little sturdier, which it does the job. But she's all done. Steps are done. And we cut out that header. So now, lights off. Now you can walk down here and not crack your noggin. Just like so. This is how much we had to cut out. Right there and right there. Now we got to figure out how to patch that and put a piece of wallboard in there. But now you can walk all the way down. Notice I'm missing it. Well, that's done. One more sheet upstairs and then the two little 6-inch pieces will be good to go. Gonna work on the antenna today. We got a better antenna. There it is. We got the antenna up. Well, I've got all of Spanky's framing done. I've got all the sheetrock put up for him that I'm going to put up. He don't know what he's going to do in the main floor part. That ceiling's even worse than the last one. So he may put a drop ceiling in there. But I've done everything I can do. You know, a friend in need. I hope he understands that, and I know he does, that I enjoyed helping him. I did. And we got to stay here. Had all the hookups. Didn't have to pay a dime, so that's awesome. We was able to save up a little money for the next leg of our adventure. Where we figured out where we're going to go and where we're going to stay and how we're going to get there, I should say. So you'll be seeing that video coming up. But at least I got my friend all set up here. And I don't know if we'll be putting any more videos from here on that. Not any way of the building, because should be done. Got to hook up his internet. That ain't going to be a big deal. But, so anyway, that's it from Spanky's retreat. I'm going to end this video with some of the accomplishments we've got done. We got that sucker up there. Here we storing all of his lumber there and up there. He got room for that. Got a little bit of room on each side. We got that done. Works fine. It's all wired in. Water running over to the sink. Let me show you the sink. Oh, we're missing a ladder. Where the heck did the ladder go? Anyway, we made a hook for his ladder that hangs up there. And then his other ladder hooks right on this. This one here hooks on there. I don't know where his other ladder is. But anyway, let me show you what else we got done. Sink all plumbed in and put in here. Plus, this is the hose that feeds his cooler up there. We got that all done. Painted the wall and everything behind it so it protects it. We got that done. Plugged up. We think we're going to cut another hole in that one and put a light there for the steps. So we got this side plugged up too. Got that all done. And we're going to do some, got some ideas on the steps, but he's going to do all that. He don't need my help to do that. A little closer look at that texturing job. Well, it's getting cold here. Going to be freezing next week. We will be gone, long gone, before this video hits. You know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe.